Well, it's beginning to get dark outside. So, what should boys who've done all their chores do? Yeah, not very exciting, is it? Is that better? The other one, the wheels are out of gauge and it won't run. Yeah, that's a bit better, isn't it? Oh dear. Keep going, go on. Yes, there we are. Much more exciting. But it's a horrible old steam engine, and we don't live in the steam age, do we? Oh, that's much better. A modern electric train. Oh. In case you're wondering, it was in a box in the loft in the barn where it's been for some time now. So that's sort of not as exciting as it could be, is it? That's much better, isn't it?